Let me walk you through the doctor consultation booking experience in the application. The process begins when the user selects the doctor service from the Services section on the home screen. Once selected, the application displays a prompt asking, "What kind of service are you looking for?" The user is given two options: online consultation and offline consultation. If the user chooses online consultation, they can proceed to book a virtual appointment with a doctor. The application presents two tabs: General Doctor and Specialization Doctor, allowing the user to select the appropriate type of doctor based on their requirement. After selecting the preferred doctor, the user chooses a suitable date and time slot and clicks on Book Appointment. At this point, the system asks, "Who are you booking for?" If the user selects Myself, they are directly taken to the payment process. If the user selects someone else, they are required to enter the patient's details, including name, age, mobile number, email, gender, and relation. Once the details are provided, the user proceeds to the payment gateway. After successful payment, the appointment is confirmed. At the scheduled time, the consultation takes place through a video call, enabling the user to connect with the doctor remotely in a seamless manner. If the user selects offline consultation, the flow remains similar. The user selects the doctor, chooses the preferred date and time slot, and proceeds with booking. After confirming whether the appointment is for themselves or someone else and completing the required details, the user proceeds to payment. Once the payment is completed successfully, the appointment is confirmed. In this case, the doctor visits the patient's location at the scheduled time to conduct the consultation in person. This flow ensures that users can easily choose between online video consultations and offline in-person consultations at home based on their preference. I will now walk you through the doctor application workflow, covering both consultation handling and service management. The doctor begins by logging into the application using the credentials provided. Once logged in, the doctor can view the scheduled appointments on the home screen based on their availability. For an online consultation, at the scheduled time, the doctor connects with the patient through a video call within the application. This enables a smooth and real-time interaction between the doctor and the patient. During or after the consultation, the doctor has the ability to recommend additional services to the patient based on the diagnosis. These recommendations may include services such as lab tests, radiology tests, or other required care services. The doctor can also create and share a prescription by entering the required details and sending it through the application. Once submitted, the prescription is successfully shared with the patient for reference. In addition to recommendations, the doctor also has the capability to book services on behalf of the patient. This includes selecting required services such as lab tests, radiology tests, or nursing services, entering the necessary patient details, and proceeding with the booking flow directly from the doctor's application. For an offline consultation, the doctor visits the patient's location at the scheduled time and conducts the consultation in person. Similar to the online flow, the doctor can recommend services, write and share prescriptions, and book required services on behalf of the patient. Once the consultation and all related actions are completed, the doctor proceeds to close the order, marking the consultation as successfully completed. This workflow ensures that the doctor can not only consult with the patient, but also provide complete support by recommending, prescribing, and initiating further services directly through the application.